Hi my beautiful angels. So in today's video I will be helping you and guiding you how you can style your black shirt in so many different ways. Trust me, from the glamorous look to the casual look for your college, office or party wears. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really hope this video will help you guys. So let's begin. Your any favorite maxi dress or any short dress as per your preferences. Fold the upper top part towards inside so that it looks like a skirt. Cinch your favorite waist belt to make it a more cleaner and polished look and look stylish. Take your dress and layer this shirt over it. Take your rubber band and then just make like it a ponytail and fold it inside so that it gives you a look something like this, and then cinch your waist belt around to give it more stylish look. Sequins are really in here. I'm taking my sequins pencil fit skirt. It turned out really pretty and looks very glamorous. It is one of my favorite and it is absolutely comfortable to wear outside. You can also pair your black shirt with a white combination. Take your pencil fit jeans or trousers, pair it with black heels to balance out the colors. You can also layer your shirt with any colored combination. I took my white sleeveless shirt. To look it more stylish, I paired it with my broad waist belt. To balance out, I paired with my brown bag. So this trend is also in. I'm taking my off-shoulder top and layering it above and adjusting it. I saw many celebrities wearing this and also I saw this in a store. It also looks very stylish and you can always balance it out. course, depending upon the season, you can also style it with long boots. You can always layer it with overcoat or any coat you like. I'm just throwing it on my shoulder because I think it looks more elegant and stylish. Most of us have these type of kimonos or long shrugs lying in a wardrobe. It was lying for so long and I never wore it, so I thought to style it like this. I pair it with my broad belt, and to balance out the color I paired with my leopard print heel and a bag. As high waists are again in trend, you can pair it with your high waist pants. I'm balancing out again with my belt and with my heels. You can also pair with a vest. If you're not having, you can also pair it with a sleeveless jacket. I'm pairing with my crochet vest. And it looks absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this video helps you. If it is, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.